Normally I don't do this. I know my videos have been a little bit different, but due to the worldwide situation going on here, I've switched jobs, not by choice. I was one of the unfortunate ones to lose my job, but thankfully I was able to find another job. All that being said, this video, like I said, is going to be a little different. It's an unboxing. This is a Samsung laptop. It's the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex Alpha. I believe I said that correctly. I looked for videos on YouTube myself before I purchased this to see if there were any on YouTube, and I didn't find any. I just decided that I would go based on research that I had done because I did need another laptop. So this is just a temporary unboxing one. I will do another video once I've had some time to use the laptop to see how it works and to just kind of give a review. And much like other people know, Samsung's not sponsoring me at all or anything like that. I bought this with my own money. I did buy it from Best Buy. So that aside, it's a small box, as you can see. You have your power cable. Wouldn't exactly call this a brick, but that's what it is. And then of course, you have the unit itself. Set that to the side for now. And then I'm assuming this is your manual and warranty cards and things like that. So moving that aside, as you can see, it's a really thin laptop. Take it out of this protective cover. And it only comes in silver to the best of my knowledge. There's one USB port, and I don't believe that's a Thunderbolt 3. HDMI is your power, your headphone jack. On the opposite side, it's an SD card reader. And two USB type A, I believe 3.0. Why it's not focusing, I don't know. And this is actually your power button right here. Now, laptop only weighs, I believe, like a little over 2.5 pounds. It's not very heavy at all compared to my other laptop that weighed roughly 7 pounds. This isn't actually, doesn't have the same features as the regular Flexbook, such as the S Pen, which I didn't really care about that. I don't believe this has the wireless charging for your phone on the trackpad, I'm not sure. And there's another feature that I think it does not have. I don't remember for sure, but this is also a 2-in-1, so it can do the full 360 and be in tablet mode as well. And as I said, this is just going to be a short video. I'm not going to turn it on right now because I do believe it needs power to the battery or to be charged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it up. I'm going to try it out and see how things are. And if I do come across any problems, then I will definitely let that be known in the description. Also, I may add to this video afterwards, maybe later today once I have it up and running, just to showcase a little bit about it. But again, I'm just doing this just for anybody who may consider buying this laptop or they're looking for another laptop, to just make their decision. That way they can know what features it has, what it doesn't have, if it's something they may want or something they may not. Everybody's free to make their own decisions. I'm just doing this just because I couldn't find any videos based on this one. There were tons of videos of other laptops, but not this one in particular, at least when I last looked. So I will return, like I said, as soon as I have a few days to try this out and see how things go with it.